Right, so I wanted to record this short video to talk to you a bit about what the best way, or I guess the second best way, and I'll tell you why in a second, is to learn SEO, right? And if you're on this channel, if you watch these videos, you know what SEO is. Essentially, it's the art, I guess, of ranking a site #1 on Google, and with that, you can make a lot of money with it, because search engines and organic search is still one of the most valuable assets a business can have in order to bring traffic to it, right? Super valuable, but if you're into SEO, you already know this. Now, what I think is the second best way, and let me tell you what the best way, in my opinion, to learn SEO is to test, right? I talk about this often, but the best way to know what works, right, is to just test it out, right? Build a website, post content on it, build backlinks to it, track every single move you do. That's super important, because you cannot measure what you don't track. So track the links you build, track the anchor tags you build those links with, track the content length, track your competition, track all of that. And by the way, this wasn't my goal wasn't to promote this, but a good way to track all that is with this right here. Is a small SEO tool that gives you a bunch of information, backlinks, anchor tags, traffic, all that. You can even track your competition. This is a great way, an affordable way to track your competition and measure what you're actually doing. So this is the very first thing, is to test it out for yourself, right? Start a site, right? And then try to rank it #1. Do all the trash, do all the things you think are the right thing, and do all the things that you don't know if are right or not, but just test it out. That's how I got started with it, right? That's how the best SEOs in the industry get sites to rank, because they are testing and constantly testing every single thing they can. And the most recent thing we've tested so far is AI content, right? Because everyone wasn't sure, even Google wasn't sure if it would work. So that's the first thing, just test. That is if you're getting into SEO at the moment. If you know a bit more about SEO, or even if you're just getting started, a good way to, let's say these are the steps in your SEO journey, and once you reach this step right here, you're an SEO expert, right? You know how to rank a site #1 like clockwork, right? If you're testing it out for yourself, you're going to go a step at a time, right? A step at a time. Even if you watch YouTube videos, maybe you can jump a step, right? Even if you try to see what other people are doing and replicate it, that's a great way to jump a couple of steps. But the best way to go from here to up here, okay, maybe not up here, but maybe up here, right? To jump a couple of steps ahead is by mentorship. And again, I say this is the second best way, because the best way is to try it for yourself, because you're going to learn so much if you do it by yourself. Now again, the second best way is mentorship. And what I mean by this is to get in touch with an actual SEO expert, someone that knows what they're doing and they've done it over and over again, and ask for their help. And I know this might seem like a promo video, and kind of is for Vetted, but I feel like we have the best option for you if you want to get started with SEO, and if you want to find a mentor that can help you out. So you just go to here, click here, and then you have all these people. For example, here, Bradley, he's been in the industry for over 10 years, right? He knows exactly what it takes to rank a site #1. You can essentially pick his brain and jump all the steps forward, right? Because you're talking to someone that knows exactly what you need to do to get ahead. Me, myself, you can have a call with me as well. Bradley, Tony, Ahmed, you have a bunch of people here. Ron, Bart down there, for example, he's an amazing SEO expert. He's got a ton of amazing clients. He's currently in Thailand. He has done SEO internationally. He's an amazing guy that you can just pick his brain if you want to. Right, for example, Bradley here, you can get 15 minutes of his time for just $60. Just imagine the value you can pack and all the questions you can ask him directly in just 15 minutes. It's so amazing. Again, I know this sounds like a promo video, and it kind of is, but a lot of people ask me, how do I learn SEO? What do I do? And I often tell them, just go on YouTube, watch videos, and test. Again, that's the best way. But the second best way is through mentorship. Talk with someone that knows what they're doing, right? Talk with me, book a call with me, book a call with Bradley, with Ron, whatever. This is a great way to find a mentor that can guide you exactly in your SEO journey. So you're not just trying to find the right things and looking on YouTube, on this channel, on that channel, because I post videos about SEO, but my channel might not be the best, right? There's a bunch of channels out there. So again, quick one, but I really think that one of the best ways to achieve success with SEO faster is if you combine testing, right, with also going on here and hiring someone, not hiring, but yeah, and essentially paying someone for them to be your mentor, paying for their time, because these people's time is so valuable, because all these guys here that do consulting for SEO, they do SEO on a daily basis. They have agencies, they have clients, they have $1 million clients. I mean, some of these people here have very, very big clients, so they know all the industry secrets. So and it's super valuable that we've gathered them all here, and they're just simply one call away. So that's it, short one for today. I'm committed to posting videos every single day because I want to bring more value into the SEO community as I can. Hopefully after this one, and if you have some questions, you're not sure if you're on the right path in your SEO journey, if you have a site that's not ranking, you're not sure why, just book a call with one of these guys. It can even be with me. I mean, if you're into local SEO, Bradley is your best bet. International SEO, I'd go with Bart here. But book a call and invest some of the money into actually bettering yourself and bettering your knowledge. Because I buy courses all the time, right? But a course is different because here you have direct access to the people. You can ask them questions live, right? And they get to actually know the behind the scenes of your business, of your site. So that's super valuable. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Cheers.